If you're a fan of cooking super easy slow cooker curries that the whole family will love, then this slow cooker pork curry is for you. Now, if you've been watching my videos for a while, you'll know that I always recommend you fry your onions and your garlic and ginger before putting it into the slow cooker. This gives it so much more flavor, it reduces a lot of the water that's in the onion, and it stops your slow cooker recipes just tasting soupy and just tasting like every other slow cooker recipe you've ever done. So fry the onions, garlic and ginger first before adding them into the slow cooker. Another tip is if you cook them for a bit longer on a medium to low heat rather than high, you'll just get more flavour from them too. Then once they're ready, we're going to add in our pork fillet or chopped up pork chops or pork loin. It's a really economical cut of meat. It's super high in protein. It's really lean. I absolutely love using it. And then we're adding in the other things like curry powder, salt, corn flour to help thicken things and so on. For curry powder, I'm using Cape Malay curry powder. If you flick back a couple of recipes, you'll see I showed you how to make this when we're doing Cape Malay butternut squash soup. But you can use any kind, just generic from the supermarket. Anyway, mix all of that through, and to cook this, we want to do it low and slow to just get more flavour and allow that pork to just really break down and just fall apart in the mouth. So about 7 hours on low is what I think works best.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
All you need to do now is just plate it up and get stuck in. As always, if you want the full recipe and a load of other high protein recipes, you can get them in my app, and there's a link to download it in the description below. See ya!